What are you doing?
What?
Why are you in a box? Like a TV box.
Because I'm your entertainment.
Are you drinking Moscato and eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch?
Maybe.
What's wrong with you?
You married me.
You're sitting on Facebook, drinking Moscato, eating cinnamon.
There's Moscato in the milk.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
I went to the bathroom for 60 seconds, and this is what I come back to.
Yep.
Oh my god.